Yo, YouTube, how's it going? You came back for another video. I already know you over there playing choices and you trying to figure out how you can get unlimited resources, the diamonds, the keys, you want to know how you can do that. You came to the right place. Because I know you guys are getting tired of the ads running on your screen. You're going to get that taken off. I know you want to get VIP. I know you want to unlock chapters. You come to the right place, okay? I'm going to show you how you can do that because nobody likes ads anyway. All right, so we're on my screen. And as you can see, they got a lot of deals and everything inside of the store. $100, no. You know, I'm not even gonna discuss anything else because the $100 is berserk. You see, I got 1,344 keys, 7,965 diamonds. At the top, you see the unlock store? It's a button right there. What we're gonna do is hit that button, and I'm gonna show you guys some magic. I'm gonna show you what you came here for. And voila! Infinite, baby. Unlimited. And I'm gonna show you how you can do that. Right here on my screen, you know it's not a game. Okay, so we're gonna go out. As you see, I was in the choices game. And we're gonna go on over to Safari, because that's all you need. Safari in your settings. All right, and I'm gonna go to my search and type in Tweak Valley, TWEAK Valley.com. Mine automatically pops up because I use this thing faithfully, just like you can do too. All right, and as you can see, it's a lot of apps on there that you can choose from, but today it's about choices, baby, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, type in choices, and there it is right there. We're gonna hit install. And it doesn't take forever to install. It works on Android. You see, I got an iPhone. It works on tablets, any device. Any device, it works. You're gonna get those unlimited resources. All right. And we're almost done. And once this is done, it's gonna be a box that pop up and you're gonna allow it. So let's let it finish installing. Real easy steps, guys. We're almost done. All right, so you're gonna allow it to happen, allow this download to happen. The profile is downloaded so you can close. And what we're gonna do is X out of that, and we're gonna go to the settings, Fluffy Penguin. Profile is downloaded, VPN and device management. You're gonna hit install, next, install. All right, and we're gonna hit done, and that's it, baby. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe, like, comment, share, all the above.